Aglonema growing tips and tricks, or you will see Chinese evergreen plant varieties in this video, and I will be sharing with you some how to grow and care this beautiful house plant, Chinese evergreen Aglonema. Plants are once you kept indoors as a house plant, it's a low watering plant as well. So if you are a busy person, beautiful Aglonema plants are for you. So stay tuned until the end to know all the details, tips and tricks of growing Aglonema. This is another variety of Aglonema. So when you find this plant in the nursery, make sure you keep it in a shady area when you bring it home. So these plants are shade loving, low light loving plants where they are ideal for your home because they are decorative plants. Not only that, they are shade loving plants. Keep them in a shady corner if you are keeping it outdoors. So now if you can see, if you have noticed, these leaves were bitten by pests, so that I have to give them some pesticide, most probably the turmeric. So all were bitten, and this is another variety. So now here I have a huge evergreen plant, Chinese evergreen. This is in a large planter, and it's growing so well I can multiply the plant by dividing it. There are many plants you can see. So this is a shade loving plants, as I mentioned, and also this plant needs no care at all and no watering every day. You can check the soil and water them, and once you keep them indoors they can go up to 7 days without getting watered. But you can do a mist spray in the morning in order to keep the moisture, because these plants doesn't like the soggy soil. You can add some garden soil and also sand, and a little bit of cocoa peat will do. So that is the mixture of the soil. So let me to introduce you some of the other evergreen plants, Aglonema type. And this is one variety that I have. Another variety, it's a variegated leafy one. And down there I have another small plant growing. That is also pink lipstick Aglonema. They are all wonderful decorative plants. When you want to propagate this plant, you can take a mature cutting, right? And you can simply put it in water or else in soil. It should be well draining, and you can put it in small planters even. That will do. So this is the small planter I have taken for the new cutting. I have taken well draining soil, and there's a good drainage hole as well in this. So I'm going to put this new cutting in that. Until it starts to root, you'll have to keep it in a shade. So along with my anthuriums, I'm going to keep it. Now this is watered already, so I'm not going to put water. Cut and remove all the yellow leaves from the plant. Now you can see this is yellowing. You can cut it off and remove them. If the plant gets too much of water or get caught to the rain, the yellow leaves will appear in the plant. You will see them, and remove them from the plant to keep it healthy and fast growing. This plant I really love. This is, the color is really very wonderful. It's a variegated leafy one. So do not overwater this plant. Check the soil, especially the top layer. You can check, and you can water them. See brown spots like this, that is because the plant is exposed to too much of sunlight. See to that as well. Locate it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. So now this is exposed to bright direct sunlight. This Aglonema plant is producing flowers. Still it has not bloomed. Now see this. So the buds are appearing in my Aglonema plant, Chinese evergreen one. So once it appears also, I will put a video. So I put a small cutting of Aglonema Chinese evergreen plant. It's growing well. From these leaves I can say it's very healthy. It was only a small cutting. I put it under this huge plant. So this cutting also growing, I can separate it and put it in another plant. Another low maintenance permanent and a shade loving plant, a low light plant. It is for a beginner as well.